It's Wednesday, March 19th. I'm buying some Meta 590 puts here at 1290. I have this on watch as a very important breakout here, kind of at this lower blue line and red line, and I'll get into that in a second if it unfolds. But in terms of opening price action, obviously we started up trying to break out above bars 1 and 2, above the pre-market highs on bar 3, and then had the big shooter bar. We followed through to the downside here on bar 4, and then we're forming red here. So getting back through the midpoint of that first bar, it almost looks like we're taking out higher highs liquidity wise, now working back to lower lows. If we get to those lower lows, what's significant about that, number one, we have the low of yesterday after a red bar. We're not above the midpoint of that day, so you're still kind of anticipating that low to be taken out. You're looking for sell opportunities. Other stocks have opened up above their midpoint of the prior days and headed higher. This one hasn't. If now we head lower and take out that area right there, that is a significant level on the weekly chart here, where we came down during the week. Logical pause area to take out this target down here. It's either going to reverse from here or not, and at this point, since we're pausing in this area and have structure that still seems to be going down, if we get through there, then we're heading down to this area down here in the 550 area. So I'm looking at this as kind of the beginning of that potential move to break out below this key level here in the 580 area down towards that 550 area way down here in the bigger picture. Intraday structure seems to have failed at the pre-market highs. We're below the midpoint of the prior day. We're red. That targets those lows of the day. That can pinball into that we're just not holding this key area at the red line, and in the big picture heading much lower towards these targets down here after not being able to reverse at this first target. It's a logical pause area, so that's what's unfolding here. If you look at the last 2 days, we came down just pausing in this area, but if it doesn't want to reverse up from here, and it almost looks like it's just kind of pausing in a sideways area, we could be heading a lot lower on this stock. We'll find out. Let's see. Step one, though, is after this intraday structure, can we get down to those lows of the day?